Hey everybody, what's up? I'm Jay from Augmented Technologies. So, in 2025, I just bought a used M1 MacBook Air off eBay for 350 bucks. That's right, 350 bucks. Honestly, it's one of the best tech purchases I made this year. Even though Apple just dropped the new M5 Max, the M1 still checks all the right boxes for the right user. So today, let me break down why this guy still punches way above his price. Before this, I was using a mid-2014 MacBook Pro Retina, and it was struggling. Apps kept telling me I need newer hardware, the battery had to be replaced again, and even simple dev tasks like installing Homebrew were getting really painful. So I finally said, you know what, it's time to get something new. But I didn't want to drop over $1,000 on something brand new when I mainly use my laptop for dev work, writing, research, and occasional edits on the road. So why the M1 made sense? So I found this M1 Air on eBay, a few scratches, 8 gigs of RAM, 13-inch display, nothing fancy. But for what I do, perfect. I don't run heavy graphics or 3D rendering on the go, and my M1 still handles all my dev tools, writing apps, and cloud dashboards with ease. Honestly, this feels modern. I upgraded it to the latest Mac OS. The fingerprint reader is super responsive and noticeably lighter than my old MacBook Pro. The fanless design is silent, and the battery life is still incredible. I can go all day without plugging it in. And for $350, you're getting Apple Silicon performance that still beats a lot of the mid-tier top laptops. If you're on a budget, or you just don't want to overspend, this is a real good sweet spot. I didn't want a 2018 or 2019 Intel Mac because of the butterfly keyboard issues. We all remember that. Plus, those models are basically the end of their life cycles. And the M1, it gives me years of updates ahead, and that's a big thing for developers like me. I won't have to switch out too soon. So if you're a student, coder, YouTuber, or someone who just wants light capability laptop, the M1 Air still delivers. You can browse, edit, run Docker, VS Code, Final Cut, even some other things without feeling held back. For me, it's all about value. I didn't need the latest chip. I needed something that just works. And this does it. It's reliable, efficient, quiet, and it's going to get updates for years. And honestly, that's the kind of performance I like on the go. So yeah, it might be a few generations behind, but my wallet and my bank account are $1,000 ahead. So that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what setup you're rocking right now. I'm Jay from Augmented Technologies. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.